Do you want to know ways you can make money online? Well, you've come to the right place. Here on this channel, we're going to show you ways to make some extra money online by doing very little work. And that means having more spare time to spend with loved ones and friends. So let's take a look at a great method for making money online. But first, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any updates about ways to make money online. Okay, let's get into it. You can earn more than $500 per day. This method is 100% free. And you can do it from anywhere in the whole world. So, let's visit CPALead.com. CPA Lead is a website where you can get paid for installing iOS and Android apps. You receive daily payments with CPALead.com. So let's take a closer look through the website. They are ranked as one of the top mobile ad networks in the world. They are a recognized company, and they are recognized as one of America's top 40 fastest growing companies. They were the winners of the Network Products Guide Hottest Company of the Year award. CPA Lead delivers installs for Android and iOS apps by connecting mobile app developers and CPI networks to their 1,700,000 publishers. Their direct relationships with cost per install advertisers through their real-time bidding marketplace is how they're able to bring in the best performing CPI offers in the industry, along with daily payments. So how do you earn money with this website? You earn money by signing up and becoming an affiliate. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you a cool trick to get people to download their apps. Here are some key points about CPA Lead. $1 minimum daily payments, highest payouts, get paid per app install, direct CPI offers, membership is always free, get paid in PayPal, Payoneer, and more, virtual currency offer walls, mobile app ad solutions, achievements and points rewards. On your main page, you can see payments and the offers to get your affiliate link. When you sign up and get your affiliate link, you want to head over to Trendry.com. Trendry.com is a huge money-making forum. You should spend some of your free time going through this website because there's a lot of great things here to go through. But for now, let's get back to the trick I want to show you so you can share your affiliate link to a wider audience. You are going to go through some of these forums and conversations, and you're going to promote your affiliate link to people looking for ways to make money online, which is everyone here. That's why they're all here. Don't spam the messages, but make sure you promote your link and tell them about CPA Lead, because many of them here haven't even heard of this website before. After you've done that, make sure you tell your friends and family about CPALead.com so you can start earning even more money. You can also make YouTube videos like this one and promote CPA Lead too. You could get thousands of views. You get paid with every single install that comes from your affiliate link. This is a great opportunity for you to earn money if you already have a YouTube channel, a blog, or any other type of website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of our other videos on how to make money online, and subscribe, and never give up your dreams. Until next time.